China has big ideas for the internet. Too bad no one else likes them. KFC is trying to create the world's first laboratory-processed chicken nuggets. And what is 5G? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Today's video is about China's new internet plan, KFC's new 3D bioprinting nuggets, and 5G technology. Let's get the news. China has big ideas for the internet. Too bad no one else likes them. Political and technological problems might sink China's new IP plan, but China could reshape the internet in subtler ways. China wants a China new internet, and you may like what the country has in mind. Its plan promises a network fast enough to show you as a live hologram in a video chat, secure enough to block data deluge attacks that crash websites, flexible enough to easily accommodate Elon Musk's Starlink satellite-powered broadband, and responsible enough to let you drive a car remotely. But there's a big problem with this proposal, called new IP, that Huawei and China's three powerful state-owned telecommunications companies are pushing. As freighted with political and technological baggage that mean its chance for success are low. In new IP will shift control of the internet, both its developments and its operations, to countries and centralized telecommunications powers that governments often run. It will make it easier to crack down on dissidents. Technology in new IP to protect against abuse also will impair privacy and free speech. In new IP will make it harder to try new network ideas and to add new network infrastructure without secure government permission, securities and competing effort to improve existing internet technology. KFC is working with a Russian 3D bioprinting firm to try to make lab-produced chicken nuggets. KFC is trying to create the world's first laboratory-processed chicken nuggets, part of its restaurant of the future concept the company announced. The chicken restaurant chain will work with Russian company 3D bioprinting solution to develop bioprinting technology that will print chicken meat using chicken cells and plant material. KFC plans to provide the bioprinting firm with ingredients like breading and spice to achieve the signature KFC taste, and will seek to replicate the taste and texture of genuine chicken. As for noting that the bioprinting process KFC described uses animal material, so any nuggets it produces wouldn't be vegetarian, its source said. KFC does offer a vegetarian option at some of its restaurants. Last year, it became the first US fast food chain to test out Beyond Meat's plant-based chicken product, which it plans to roll out to more of its locations this summer. Bioprinted nuggets will be more environmentally friendly to produce than standard chicken meat. KFC says, citing a study by the American Environmental Science and Technology Journal, it says shows the benefit of growing meat from cells, including reduction in greenhouse gas emission and energy consumption compared to traditional farming methods. Yusuf Kassiani, co-founder of 3D bioprinting solutions, said, 3D bioprinting technology is initially widely recognized in medicine and nowadays gaining popularity in producing foods such as meat. In the future, the rapid development of such technologies will allow us to make 3D printed meat products more accessible, and we are hoping that the technology created as a result of our cooperation with KFC will help accelerate the launch of cell-based meat products on the markets. 3D bioprinting is a slow, laborious process, although there have been some promising developments towards its use in medicine. Researchers at the University of California at Berkeley working on a process to bioprint human organs for transplantation noted last year that biological materials tended to deteriorate before the process was completed. Their method called for freezing the biological material as it was being printed. Experts believe there is still a long way to go before 3D bioprinting will be able to create functioning organs for transplant patients. KFC says its bioprinted nuggets will be available for final testing in Moscow this fall. The announcement didn't detail how the process its testing in Russia differs from other 3D bioprinting efforts, but said there are no other methods available on the market that could allow the creation of such complex products from animal cells. No word on when or if the printed nuggets might be available for KFC customers to sample. And what is 5G? It's the next fifth generation of cellular technology, and it promises to greatly enhance the speed, coverage and responsiveness of wireless networks. How fast are we talking? Carriers like Verizon and AT&T have shown speed surging past 1 gigabit per second. That's 10 to 100 times speedier than your typical cellular connection, and even faster than anything you can get with a physical fiber optic cable going into your house. In optimal conditions, you will be able to download a season's worth of Stranger Things in seconds. Is it just about speed? No. One of the key benefits is something called low latency. You will hear this term a lot, latency. Latency is the response time between when you click on a link or start streaming a video on your phone, which sends the request up to the network, and when the network responds, delivering you the website or playing your video. That lag time can last around 20 milliseconds with current networks. It doesn't seem like much, but with 5G, that latency gets reduced to as little as 1 millisecond, or about the time it takes for a flash on a normal camera. That responsiveness is critical for things like playing an intense video game in virtual reality, or for a surgeon in New York to control a pair of robotic arms performing a procedure in San Francisco. I think you know that little lag when you're on a Zoom video conference call. 5G will help eliminate some of those awkwards. Sorry, you go ahead. Moments after people talk over each other. That lag time won't completely go away, especially if you're communicating with someone halfway around the world. The distance matters, since that info still has to travel there and back. But a virtual luxury connection means self-driving cars have a way to communicate with each other in real time, also assuming there's enough 5G coverage to connect those vehicles. Are there other benefits? Of course, yes. The 5G network is designed to connect a far greater number of devices than the traditional cellular network does. That Internet of Things trend you keep hearing about, 5G can power multiple devices around you, whether it's a dog collar or a refrigerator. In addition, the 5G network was built to handle gear used by businesses, such as farm equipment or ATMs, and can adjust for different needs. For example, some products like sensors for farming equipment don't need a constant connection. Those kinds of low-power scanners are intended to work on the same battery for 10 years and still be able to periodically send data. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications and hit the like button. Have a great day.